It that Alkaline can get so much respect from the fans, them from people, and him have diehearted fans, but him no go out, him no take picture, him no do none of them something there. But
may I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
I don't know Media Fox, you know. People, you know, say me see that clip here. And I say me half it dry feed. Fresh off I market. You understand? RDX. But look at now people. Alkaline. Respect where people have out the fame. Even the fix them get exposed. We never see what go on. Because Vice Cartel I feed them artists, you know. And them not realize, say, brother, and also superstar thing work. And when me witness that, you understand? Me witness that myself, but don't in the video and I go see what I go on. I want to see this, you know. You understand? Look what RDX I say.
I don't feel like most Jamaicans are really fans still. I feel like them just love music. They're not really a fan of the music, like outside of the world is away. Them actually look at everything where you do, follow the artist, them want to be like the artist, them dress like the artist, them and all of them something. But I just say it still.
Where you cause that?
Because we kind of disagree.
We're too normal out. The artists them too regular. And being regular, people get used to you and them not just not the respect for you anymore because
people are real thing that, you know. And this is the thing, you know, people. This is what kill the artists them career after time. You see when people soon too much in the media, you understand them can go this a party, them see yes so them this year so. That's why you will have like man like Tamilia beg people phone light in a club and all of these things. When people see you, me even witness that myself, people. Seeing when me usually live in a country, seeing and you know, people see every day and every little thing and you know people move certain way and you know this and that. It's when me forward back in a city and then no go country for about 3-4 years and go back down there. People, me I tell you, I don't know, normal. Yo, them a treat you like king. Yo, where everybody respect high. Yeah, because what them not see you for years. Remember when people got foreign, you know. Zine, when people got foreign and come back. Respect, yo. Anybody will do anything if you say, yo, climb mango tree, 1, 2 mango, them ready for go up to everything. Yeah, man, cause them not to see every day and certain little things. I just, man, it's like get up on YouTube and the same ads keep on and pop up. You get tired of it and you just say, yo, you start cussing all of these things. You just press skip. You understand? So, these Jamaican artists, them come and out them thing. Them there every corner, every pan and knock. And I know say, brother, uno as an artist, uno have value. Is what I try to say? Uno. Every day people soon up on the road now do this and now do that. For example, like an artist like Popcorn. A lot of people lose respect for him. You understand? Him come on out, him think him in the streets, him always tangle with police, all sort of things, all of these things. You see me? But listen what I say, people.
Them can go any party and them say artists. Them can go anywhere in a Jamaica and them say artists. So the respect now go there. Like when you go outside of the world, they never say RDX before. They never say Bojo or a Cartel before or a Bounty Killer before.
This is the thing, you know. I'm glad how RDX brother, you know, attack Wagwan, you know. Seeing? You hear man say Bojo, Bounty and Cartel. Cause some of the time me them attacking them I don't understand, you know. You see it? Yo, Cartel I do this way. It's because people not see him in this country for a very long time. This is why the arena and everything are sold out. The other rest of artists, them see them 100 times already. So that's why you now go see them, the artists are sold out now way and certain little things. You understand? So when you come on out your thing, people see you all the time, your demand go very low. Now, too much people now come see. Them want to see somebody new, somebody different now. You understand? Them see you 100 times already. It's like you drive out the car out of the car mart or whatsoever and you drive your country where the value just drop. You understand? And say you sell it back to the car mart now. The money where you pay for it before you drive it out, a different money you get a lower cost. You understand? So the thing said, yeah man, but listen what I say people.
Listen, me some feel like that's why we get too regular.
Oh, like them, you're seeing the artists them just everywhere.
You go any party, you see an artist. So if you see the artist over and over, then you not gonna have that respect for the artist them anymore. That are just how me see Jamaican people really behave.
But people,
A real thing. Enough, yo, go any little annual event in the week. A be artist, them, you have to one day for regular people them. Like them now no shows, what them now no family, them now no. The man them just in at the party sit down like regular people. Every weekend, every day of the week. You understand? So the value of you just drop right there. So nobody now go on booking a permit. People now go on see it. Them can see it for free. Why them go pay for come see you? Them can go up a taboo and see every night. I flip $100 give. You understand? Them can go round the corner there, go see you. Uptown Mondays go see all of these things. Them no want to see and pay for go see. Them want to see some people where them not to see. You understand? But listen what I say.
would have said them in the streets, them a connect with the people. That's their way of connecting. So, them go out and try to mingle.
Yeah, but
yo, that's the problem, Them not understand, Yo, is it to fix them? Them not really understand what going on, Yeah, some people are gonna say about mingle and all of them things. How much time you see the superstar them overseas and mingle with fans? Brother, the only time the man them a paparazzi catch them man, they come out of them vehicle and all of these things. Them man they not no time for on the street every day and mingle with fans and all of them little thing there. You understand? The man them not come on out them thing. Only time you see the man them and when them a perform. You as an artist, you're not supposed to in the street like no regular people every day. You understand? No for them man, the Drake and every look at it. You think you can see Drake when I pull up a gas station every day or I pull up here and pull up here every day? When you reach at a superstar level, you can't do regular things. You understand? You not see Drake and you not see some superstar people or whatsoever and do these common ground walking and all of that. No. You understand? Man, you don't have time for that one bag of rushing and that. You think we get common and people lose respect. You understand?
How is it that Alkaline can get so much respect from the fans, them, from people, and him have diehard fans, but him no go out, him no take picture, him no do none of them something. But
well, him no go, no, but him used to go.
Yeah, but remember say you still have to reinvent yourself and still have to do all of these things because we still have youths that come up saying him no do none of them something and him still get him respect. Why? Because him just don't mix and mingle. And when they don't mix and mingle, people respect him more.
That is facts. But here narrow him, because them not too rate Alkaline them, a cartel of them artists and that's why I talk about him do back then. And brother, every artist, I don't know, wait there, people, Alkaline, when Alkaline boss, you know see Alkaline at every party, some don't know when I talk about. The man talk about the artists them where they are every party and every day in the street. Alkaline was not that. You see the man on shows. You never see the man in every party every night and they on the road every day. No. Some don't know what you mean by back then. You understand? The man go on interviews and the man do him shows and all of the. You know see Alkaline Uptown Mondays, Weddy Tuesday, Weddy Wednesday, if you say Bossy Tuesday. You understand? In a taboo, you know see them man there back then. You understand? So I know what you talk about. Him usually do that back then. I know Alkaline that. From Alkaline boss, the man just stay in. You understand? The man stay in him house. All of them look at things. The man keep himself to himself. Him no mingle and all of these things. Cause remember say back then people never like him, So him stay far from people. You understand? Yeah, Alkaline are the only artist me say do that. Where them man they not too, yo, you have to one. Them man move like a real superstar. You understand? A real superstar, them man they move. You see me? But RDX I go tell you what I go on.
I think that helped him with the respect part of it. But I feel like early in his career, he put in the groundwork for, connect with the people, connect with a young fan base who was probably looking for an alternative.
But
at the time to have
Naro, stop it, brother. We are talk, bro. What you mean by connect with what? The man just put out the music, bro. You see, me realize people. Majority of these people, them not realize it is the music what the artist put out there. That is what the fans connect through with the artist. Is the artist music connect them fans to them, bro. It's not them personal life. If them was not artists, them would have no fans. Them would have no musical fans, bro. You understand? The man with the regular sit down. Man a walking off a tree when the man a nobody, man a artist. Nobody no know him. And when him start put the music out there and people are listen. I saw the fans. I saw he create fans, bro. You understand? I saw good music. And music are relative to people's life and where them go through and experience. You understand? Some don't know what I mean by him do groundwork and everything. You go and like say Alkaline out there in the street every day, every party, every this, every that. With selector, I say, yo, me there, you know, Alkaline. You know. No, brother, I know so thing work, bro. Music is what connect the fans to the artists. You understand? Not mingling with people, bro. You understand? Them thing there will make people lose respect for you. Once you can stoop low with them can disrespect you no matter how big as artists you be. You understand? I saw a thing said.
That's got them.
But think about this. Me in the music for how much years and I've never seen Alkaline.
You hear what him say a while ago? True Vice Cartel forward out and a mingle and everything, you know. Them not realize, brother, a True Cartel just come from prison, bro. It's just a hype. It's the hype where everybody want to take picture. Yo, Cartel just come from prison, you know. Ray, this, that. Cause that him a try do, you know. True when Cartel forward out and him they run everywhere, him there every kitchen and corner with the fans and everything. Bro, that's hype, bro. It's not Cartel music. The people them say, yo, Cartel just fall from prison, you know. The hype, them I got video. Yo, Cartel, Ray. Remember in them man, them in Jamaican Cartel I buy buckle and all of them look at something, brother. I'm mingling that. You see it. But are those people supporting his music? No. You understand? So I saw the thing said, but people listen.
Before.
You never showed him.
Never seen him before.
That's right.
Oh.
Wait the people. Him say something. Wait there.
About this. Me in the music for how much years and I've never seen Alkaline before.
You never showed him.
Never seen him before.
That's right.
Oh.
Is this a flex because I know say go all about that, man. Is this you saying me no say Alkaline? That's not
No.
Okay,
Brother,
I'm tell about that youth when him not right now. Him not no sense, you know. Man say flex. The man I tell us if him boss. Remember the man here do music before Alkaline boss, bro. See? And yeah go ask the man if he's a flex, bro. The man I tell you reality. The man say him never see Alkaline. Enough people where they are Jamaica never yet see Alkaline. Because if Alkaline they are Jamaica, you not see him in the street or if him a drive on the road. Never. You understand? That's why man say if you're lucky if you see him. You understand? Not even airport you don't see them and you wonder how them and they fly. You understand? But that's just a superstar level. That is the formula. And realize what going on, you know, bro. You understand? And realize that make people. Let me tell you this. As a man say, when people not to see you, Zine, and then when them see every day, bro, you see like how this RDX show Alkaline respect just because the man say, yo, you know, say, never yet see that youth, yeah. And if you know, say, yo, he might pull them crowd, yeah, and mash up dancehall and all of them something, yeah. I respect. Man respect say, yo, that youth and mingle. You understand? Right now, if you see some people in a high society and you never yet see them, remember me tell you, when you see them, you gotta show highly respect just because you never yet see them. You understand? You only hear about them and all of them little thing there. You see what I try to say? And I just saw the thing said, you see it, but listen where I did, I say people.
And Alkaline, I'm an artist.
Okay.
And you never come across him?
I never come across him.
That's weird, but him do a couple shows out here.
Yeah, but me just to show you, say, the respect, me have respect for him, I never seen before. Seen, but me just to show you, say, when a regular, alright, let's take for him.
You see it? The man say, Alkaline, I'm artist. And him never yet see him before. This, it shows say, yo, Alkaline, whatever him a do, is a great move. The youth, yo, you see it? You see, yo, them not realize, you know. Although them get up every day and not disrespect the youth and all of these things, you know. But them not know, say, look here. Uno might not rate the youth, but a lot of people out there rate him. Me tell you, enough people, enough artists, enough people in the industry rate Alkaline, you know. Enough of them, it's just that some of them afraid to come call him name and say them respect him. You know why? Because them as an artist can't even see him, them can't ray. You understand? And some of them, they must say, yo, you know, say some of them move like that youth, yeah. Enough of them. You understand? You see it? A one artist the man pick out of all of the artists them. Alkaline. You understand? That me remember, you know, this a man we older than Alkaline and the music we older than Alkaline, you know. And you that thing say, yo, Alkaline boss and set the thing, fit them man, the way your man say, yo, me dey in a music long time, me never yet see him, but me respect him. You understand? But he show you levels. Alkaline is a superstar. You understand? That's why man say everything I gonna make sense soon and realize, you know. But listen what I go on.
Nicki Minaj. See, you know? Everybody did respect Nicki Minaj so much until she started this whole heap of TikTok, all people are this her on TikTok now. She just becomes this big normal Nicki Minaj now. Until she have to take care of herself now and try to build back herself. But people just don't like, them just don't rate anything with them I see too often.
Yeah man, I saw a thing said, yeah, Nicki Minaj that do her thing on TikTok and, you know, it's, as you say, you stoop low with the people and them a go try, them a feel like you and them a companion and start disrespect, you understand? As me say, if you want to be a flappers, you will get disrespect. If you want to be a superstar, people are going to respect you because look at superstar every day up there, so you understand the people in mafia look up. You understand? So the respect. You seem like you have the government no mingle with people like every day. You understand? If the government did a walk through every community every day, them would not they are tired of going, but what? Them only go around at election time. And when you look people respect them, yo my boss, rare, them mingle every 4 years. You understand? And them get highly respect because of that. Them not going in a community every day. Them not get tired. You see people that lose respect for them and disrespect them. You understand? I saw it thing go.
You can't have a point.
That Jamaican fans matter about.
Yeah. You can't have a partners of it.
I mean, we're different, but
And
you have a point.
our type of fandom would have more linked to love manism.
What do you mean by that?
Some man, them not really fans, them just love man. Like them just.
Yo, me tell you that you with a name Nara in a dog. The man always a chat some shit, you know. Brother, you talk about love man, bro. Naro, remember say you love man too. You understand? I don't know what you mean. You love man. The fans just rate them artists. You understand? Same like oh you would defend your virgin them and all of them look at thing there, brother. You love man. You go and like say you know that you know rate Cartel and all of these artists. You're not an artist where you rate and where you would defend. You understand? If somebody forward on your platform and I say something about the artist where you rate, you just sit down there and don't say nothing and not correct them. I don't know what you mean, bro. You understand? And that's the thing. You see me? But you just have some fans out there who just chat one bag of nonsense. And I understand that. You see it? But that this, I don't know where you get this love man mentality thing, brother. You understand?
Love the part internet to argue over a man and say, yo, yeah, that man are better than this man. Like, them not really go to actually support the music. Them just love the part internet and argue with other man how much they love man, essentially.
Yeah.
Bro, what the bombard this? Bro, what am to narrow? The man say man them on internet. A war over man. And I say, who love this a man ya? Narrow, where you get that from? Brother, the man them on the internet I defend whatever people say about them artists. You talk with this love man thing like say the man them say, yo, Ray, this, that, the love. You understand, brother? Like, that not sound right, bro. I don't know where you get that from, brother. You make it look like say two man have. I know say it work. The man them are same like how you can watch football and you have your favorite player. And a man I say, yo, your player no good, man. And I say, I want to you. You know, see the man win, Ray, and the man have more trophy than you. Bro, stop it, bro. We're not going like say an artist alone. And then you have people with football, game, all of these things, different competition out there, so bro. Dance all a competition, brother. You understand? So people are gonna have them artists and I defend them thing. No mean say them love man, brother. Same like oh, if you are gonna say fans where we are defend them artists or whatever love man thing, you have to talk about everything then. Cause everybody defend where them rate. You understand? Same with family why you're not gonna make nobody, you're gonna talk about your mother, you're gonna talk about your sister and all. Nobody can come to you and tell you so yo your sister this or your mother this. You understand? You're gonna defend it. You see me, but I don't know where you get this love man thing, bro.
I think I love attention still. Man, I feel like them love man.
No, them love man.
Somebody love man. Somebody love man for real.
I can't talk on this.
Me, I tell you, somebody actually love man.
When you see how them passionate about the argument, like them fully talk about man.
Nah, man, I think man just have different respect for.
You know what the worst thing? So, say you tell me, say, no, when all Messi for that Jamaica were there, and the way how the man them did that go on, bro. Like, brother, you talk about love. Say to me, say, if somebody rate somebody and I talk about them, and I like the man them say they want to sleep with the man, you know. You understand? Or they want to do this with the man, you know, or whatever, you know. The man them just defend whatever the artists have out there, like, yo, the man have 100 hit song, I want him to yo. Yo, the man have this, the man have that. The man them just defend them artists, whatever accolades them have and all of these things. I don't know where you never get this love man thing, brother. You understand? I don't know where you see. You see it?
Artists more than a woman that have respect for artists still. Yeah. And yeah, because man and man can connect more than a woman that connect with that man.
You're not wrong, but yeah, some of them really love that.
Alright,
really love that. Yeah, without what you
brother, all this money I talk about this love man thing, bro. Nah, you move like a bro, you move shaky, brother. You keep on the man I try, RDX I try sway from the argument, brother. You see it? RDX I try sway from the thing, and yeah, you keep on. I say all of this, bro. Love man mentality, bro. More time you go say man, love man, bro. Jano, but people, know things set, man. I could make you know what I want. You see it? That is it.